Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the factory reset of your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge device. So as you can see here, we have our vacuum cleaner, and at first we need to remove this top. This is magnetic top and it's easy to take it off. Once done, you need to find this button, reset. And once you find this button called reset, you need to hold this button and this button reset for at least 10 seconds. Wait a moment, I need to find something dull. So now I have it. Here, as you can see, I have a pen. And now as you can see, if I click this reset, the normal reset happens, the system reset. But we need to hold this button over here, this deck button, and reset simultaneously until we hear factory reset. Now I think that we didn't hear anything, but this is done. I don't know why, but this is done, as you can see, because as you can see here they have different lights. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.